Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming DNS control and registrar access. That's critical. Next, pick the certificate type based on subdomain needs, single, wildcard, or multi-domain, because it determines validation. Choose a provider. Let's Encrypt for automated free issuance or a paid CA for warranty and support. Once decided, generate a CSR on your server or use the Hosting Panels tool, and make sure the common name matches the exact domain you'll secure. Once you have a CSR, complete validation. Use DNS01 for wildcard, or when you want automation without HTTP access, and HTTP01 for web-accessible sites. That explains why method choice matters. After validation, download or retrieve the certificate, chain, and private key. Install those files into your web server or hosting panel, and update your virtual host configuration to point to the new file paths. Because the server needs exact pointers to serve you finish by restarting the web server and immediately testing connectivity with tools like curl or an SSL scanner to confirm chain and protocols. Then enforce HTTPS by adding redirects and HSDS for long-term security. That prevents accidental HTTP access. If something breaks, inspect file permissions, ensure the certificate chain order is correct, and verify DNS propagation. DNS issues often look like certificate faults. Make small changes, then retest, because iterative checks resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.